turn your passion into profit? Join us on this fun journey to cash in on YouTube. Start by picking trending topics. What's hot right now? Research what's captivating viewers this week. Analytics are your best friend. Dive into what your audience loves and tailor your clips to match. Mix it up. Are you into gaming or tutorials? Choose your niche and make it pop with unique edits. Pick your editing software wisely. Whether it's beginner-friendly or advanced, make it work for you. Late nights, early mornings? The hustle is real, but every second counts toward your payday. Engagement is key. Respond to comments and create community to keep those viewers coming back. Let's talk money. Ads, brand deals, merch, these are your golden tickets to revenue. Explore all options. Act fast. The sooner you upload, the sooner those views turn into cash. Every moment matters. Celebrate every milestone. Whether it's 1 subscriber or 1,000, each counts toward your success. Learn from your favorites. Look at successful channels in your niche for inspiration and tips. Is your content engaging? Keep viewers hooked with exciting edits, quick cuts, and captivating stories. Brainstorm new ideas. The more creative you get, the better your clips will stand out on YouTube. Optimize your videos. Catchy titles and smart tags help boost your discoverability. Don't miss out. Promote on other platforms. Share your clips on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for maximum reach. Check it twice. Editing, optimizing, and promoting. Make sure you tick every box before hitting publish. Collaborate with fellow creators. Collaboration can bring fresh ideas and audiences to your clips. Expect challenges. Growth isn't always smooth, but each bump is a lesson leading to your success. Stay passionate. Let your personality shine in every clip you create. It makes all the difference. So, are you ready to start your YouTube journey? Dive in, get creative, and let's make some money.